Previously, in our last episode...
It's over now.
It must have been love, but it's over now.
And just ahead...
I bet you were the brightest in your class, weren't you?
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations. It's everyone's favorite time of year.
I'm so confused right now.
No, that one just passed. No, well, kind of, but that really isn't what I was talking about. It's time for Ashan's birthday celebration. Actually, I'm like 5 months behind posting this, but we have been pirates. We've joined the circus. We've been astronauts.
Welcome to Isla Nublar, home of Jurassic World.
Life will find a way.
Even Hogwarts.
The wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter.
Every night when we crawl into bed, flip on the telly, and as soon as Ashan settles down, we start up a winter camping video. He has a few creators that he really likes to watch, but two of his favorites are Monty and Ruger on Matthew Posa's channel. Now in real life, Ashan is not a fan of dogs, just like every other cat.
I bet you were the brightest in your class, weren't you?
But from the safety of his dad's bed, and with the dogs on the other side of that flat screen TV, he loves them. The videos that always has his full attention and has him leaping off the bed and pawing underneath the screen are the winter camping videos. He loves watching the snow fly, especially whenever it's being shoveled and Ruger's trying to catch it. So this year's party, we're recreating a snow camping forest, packing up a sled filled with all of our camping gear and hiking out for a celebration. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I'm starting by hanging an 8-foot by 10-foot pole-pocketed backdrop and setting up two custom snow-covered evergreen tree cardboard cutouts. To create a snow effect, I purchased 4 king-size white fleece blankets from Macy's. I'll fluff those and cover the entire floor. I'll also tie 125 small acrylic snowflakes with fishing line and tape those to the ceiling in varying lengths. The acrylic snowflakes are in varying shades of iridescent blue and white and clear. Well, looky. My little pumpkin butt has popped out to see why Dad is destroying the house. For the birthday cake, I'm creating another flaked tuna sculpture. This time, I'm making a large T-bone steak. In all of Posa's videos, he often cooks up a big old slab of meat, and seems like he's a bit obsessed with Montreal seasoning, so we had to do the same. Just ours is all tuna, dyed with a bit of all-natural pet-safe food coloring, and our Montreal seasoning is all catnip. Break time to get the birthday boy his lunch and juicy ears. Ashan was diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease last year, so we have to do 2 rounds of ear medicine every day. I like to call them juicy ears so he doesn't hear the word medicine around the house. We also have to do a few minutes of cuddles afterwards because, well, probably because I need to do them more than he does. This little guy is so damn cute. He knows with just one look at me with those big yellowy eyes, I'll just do anything for him. We are just about ready to hit the trail for our campsite, so we better bundle up and get moving. Holy shit, he's a cutie. Alrighty folks, it's officially time. Let's party.
Meat. All up in there. Look, you got a big old reach.
We've made it to our campsite, so it's time to unpack and get set up. Ashan was getting a little too hot, so we switched out the ear flaps for a birthday hat. Let's open some presents. So the other type of videos that Ashan loves to watch are water slide POVs. Of course, I wasn't going to install a water slide into my house. Well, honestly, don't tell my husband, but I did look into see what options there could be, and I did happen to find a kiddie pool with some slides and did find a purveyor that could make a custom cover for a slide for a kiddie pool, but I wasn't actually going to go there. So I did find this cute little light up cat tunnel that sparkled and played music, and it reminded me so much of some of the newer slides that are out now, and I thought it was the perfect dupe. I'm so glad that he likes it. I filmed this on his actual birthday, June 24th. It was like 87 degrees outside. I cranked up the central air so it was a bit nippy in the house. I think it's adorable that he loves laying right beside this light up campfire. While he cozies up, let's head downstairs. The reason it's taken me so long to complete this video is because our precious little spotty girl Seely, she passed away 3 weeks after filming this, and honestly, I haven't been able to make it through the editing of this video without tears. She would have turned 18 in August, but her sister Nettie needed her more. Luckily, she went in a matter of 2 days, and Ken and I were right by her side the entire 48 hours. She never really liked playing with toys, but she loved to lick them. So this last video of her truly captured her perfectly. Time to light some candles and make a wish because someone is hungry for some birthday cake. With a full tummy and a stack of new toys, let's let the birthday boy crash out and enjoy his special day. I know, I am over the top and ridiculous when it comes to my cats, but I see them as my kids. Ken and I will never have human children. And one of those reasons is you can't tell a human child to go shit in a box without CPS being called in your ass. Oh, Ashani. Ashani is a special one. He and I are truly connected. Call it soulmates, soul cat, a familiar. I know where spirits have been connected before. I love thinking about the idea that I was a cat to his human form at some point. The point is, we just get one another. He doesn't even have to meow or be in the same room with me for me to know that he needs something, and vice versa. When you have a connection like that, who wouldn't want to make every single day with them even more special than the last? Happy, happy birthday, little buddy. Oh, your papa loves you more than all of life itself. Here's to many, many more days together, my friend.